Old Norcross Tucker Rd, starting with sheet 1302. We've got a clump of trees right here, a couple pines, and 2 or 3 other ones. They're bunched up pretty close together. We've got a small sweet gum. We've got stump removal for these. We've got a sweet gum right in here, stump removal, and then we've got a large pine tree with a sweet gum right next to it. They're both pretty good sized right here. Go to sheet 3. Right in this section right here, we've got a large pine that sticks out over the power line. Sheet 6, which is upside down for some reason. We've got a little group of small oaks right here, and then over here we've got a one good-sized oak that sticks out. There's power lines going in both directions. It's up against an existing power pole. Sheet 8, also upside down. Sheet 8, we've got a section right here of about 11 pretty good sized pine trees, stumped. We've got a section about 1,000 square feet of brush coming down here. There's a row of Leland cypresses that come up, and there's 2 little pine trees at the end of it. I included them. And there's also 2 scrubby birch trees right out pretty close to the sidewalk here on this turn lane.